If you're unable to access your Shopify admin, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Try accessing other websites to verify if the issue is network related. Clear browser cache. Cache data can sometimes cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try accessing your Shopify admin again. Try a different browser. Sometimes browser compatibility issues may prevent access. Try using a different browser or update your current browser to the latest version. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with website loading. Disable these extensions and try again. Check Shopify status. Visit Shopify's status page to see if there are any outgoing outages affecting admin access. Reset password. If you're unable to log in due to forgotten credentials, use the Forget Your Password option on the login page to reset it. Contact Shopify support. If none of the above steps work, contact Shopify's customer support for further assistance.